many today think that our ancestors belong to the past ancient spirits fading in the forgotten shrines. But what if I told you your ancestors are not behind you? They are within you, living, breathing, guiding every steps that you take. Odinala, the ancient spiritual science of the Igbo, teaches that the key to your destiny is not hidden in the stars, but it is hidden within your bloodline. This is not mythology. It is spiritual technology, the science Wi-Fi of the soul that connect you back to your source. If you're just joining us for the first time on this channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video. It is still your personal person, Chief Dr. Nwachiyamereze Oguamalam. You see, Odinala simply means the natural law that holds all things in order. It teaches that ancestral veneration is not worship of the dead, but a communion with a living wisdom flowing through your bloodline. It is the living law of alignment. How we as souls return to balance with our chi, our ancestors, and the Mother Earth, Allah. You see, in Odinala, your ancestors are continuing consciousness. They are the unseen pillars of your destiny. When you honor them, you awaken the same wisdom that sustains your lineage for generations. You see, every libation, every kola nut, every name spoken before the ancestral altar is not superstition. It is communication, a reactivation of your spiritual DNA, a sacred dialogue between your chi and spirits that bet you. In the modern world, we have replaced remembrance with distraction. We chase success without acknowledging the roots that feed our growth. But Odinala calls us back to slow down, to listen, to pour water for those who walked before us, and to receive their light. To live Odinala in the modern life is very, very simple. It is as simple as beginning each day with remembrance, pouring water on the earth, speaking gratitude to your ancestors. Try to keep a small altar, a candle, an altar with a candle, a bowl of water, and a symbol of your lineage. When you act with integrity and heal your wounds, you free generations behind and also generations ahead of you. Do your deep alpha consultation reading to understand what is beneath your ancestral lineage, to heal your ancestral wounds, and to free your path in this present time. Most of the issues you might be struggling with, confused about, might be as a result of what is hidden in your bloodline. Do your deep alpha consultation reading, in order to understand what is within your ancestral lineage. You see, you need to understand that as you act in integrity, you will become a living altar, walking with strength of your ancestors, guided by the wisdom of your ancestors. Now is the time to awaken the ancestral light within you. Your ancestors are not calling you back to the forest. They are calling you to rise in your home, right where you are right now, in your cities, in your work, and in your purpose. If this teaching interests you, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will always be getting the messages and teachings that we bring. Like the video, subscribe, and share the video. Comment in the comment section down below. Veneration in the modern life, or ancestral veneration in the modern life. Also, join the ChiMba Sacred Circle, where remembrance becomes power and power becomes healing. Okay? Return to your chi, honor the ancestors, awaken the sovereign freedom, and rise in your sovereign expression. We're still coming with more information. We have so much videos on this channel. Just find this video. Click on this video that you're seeing right now, here or there, and watch through for more informations. Okay? And as you share this video and comment ancestral veneration in modern life, you will be reawakening remembrance of who you truly are. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing this video. We appreciate all this, your effort. And click on your our playlist. There are a whole lot of information there for you to grab. You have come into this life to be fulfilled, and you must be fulfilled. Say